Good morning, everybody. This is Marianne with OnlineTechLessons.com. And today I wanted to share a little bit with you about how to clean up your computer. As you can see, I'm sharing my desktop with you, and it's a mess. I haven't paid attention to it here for a little bit, and I really need to go in here and clean this up, take care of some stuff. I need to delete some stuff, and I need to put some stuff in their correct folders. Usually when I'm working online, I get busy and I'm like, okay, I'm just going to share this to my desktop so that I can easily find it here in a few minutes. But then I get lazy, we all do it, and we turn around and we don't do it. Or we have old folders. I have some stuff on here from an old business that I was involved in one time that I haven't deleted, but I need to, and stuff like that. So I really suggest that you go in here and you clean up your desktop. A lot of us, I've had it worse than this. I've had it covering my entire desktop before. Pictures, folders, files, you name it. Go in here and clean it up. The more stuff that you have taking up space on your desktop, it's using up valuable memory that your computer can be using for other things. This is especially important if you've got a lower end laptop that maybe or a desktop that doesn't have a whole lot of memory. Clean up your desktop. It'll give you back some memory usage, make your computer a little bit faster. The other thing I want to show you about is Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is this program that protects you from malware. I went online and I found this really awesome definition for Malwarebytes and what it does. And I'm going to read it to you so that you understand. Malwarebytes Anti-Malware is not meant to be a replacement for antivirus software. Malwarebytes Anti-Malware is a complementary but essential program which detects and removes zero-day malware and malware in the wild. This includes malicious programs and files such as virus droppers, worms, trojans, rootkits, dialers, spyware, and rogue applications that many antivirus programs do not detect or cannot fully remove. That being said, there are many infections that Malwarebytes Anti-Malware do not detect or remove, which any antivirus software will, such as file infectors. It is important to note that Malwarebytes Anti-Malware works well and should run alongside antivirus software without conflicts. So that's important to know, that it works with your antivirus, not against it, and not instead of. Here I've got on my screen Malwarebytes, which I pay for. I always tell people you can use the built-in virus protection that Windows 10 provides now these days, but you also need to pay for premium Malwarebytes. It always monitors your computer. It keeps it clean. I cannot say more good things about Malwarebytes. So when you open up the program, this is what it's going to look like, and you're going to go over here and you're going to hit scan. Mine just scanned. It took 4 minutes to scan. There were 277,000 items on my computer to scan, and I don't have a whole lot on my computer, so that shows how deep into the files that it actually goes. To show how well it's been doing, it have detected 0 threats. Before I loaded Malwarebytes onto there, it had about 15 threats. So you definitely want to put this on. I think it comes with, I want to say, a 2-week or a month free trial, so you can try it. What would happen is if it picked up some threats, it would quarantine them, and it would list them all here in quarantine. Then you would just simply go through and you would check this box right here that I'm showing right here. You check that, and then you would say delete them, and that would delete them from your computer permanently, taking care of it. You can go into settings and you can tell it what all that you want it to watch for, notify you when there's updates, and you can even tell it what time of the day that you want it to scan your server, your computer and all that. So you go in here to scan schedule, and you tell it when you want it to do that. Again, Malwarebytes, awesome program. I totally recommend it. Clean up your desktop on your laptop or your desktop computer. It's going to clear up some memory for you. When I end this meeting here with you guys, that's the first thing I'm going to do, is go clean up my desktop. and I will talk to you later. If you have any questions on Malwarebytes or how to implement it or how to clean up your desktop or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me. My website is onlinetechlessons.com. My personal email is marianne@onlinetechlessons.com. It's MARIANNE at onlinetech, lessons.com. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Stay clean. Bye.